Hey there, fellow PayPal users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to add a contact to your PayPal address book in 2025. With PayPal's updated interface, managing contacts has never been simpler, whether you're a small business owner sending payments or just splitting bills with friends. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. If you haven't already, head to the PayPal website or open the app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Wallet or Profile section. It's usually in the top menu. This is where all your personal settings live. Next, navigate to the Address Book tab. In 2025, PayPal has made this super intuitive with a new search feature, so type in Address Book if you can't spot it right away. Now, hit the Add Contact button. You'll see a clean form pop up asking for details like the contact's name, email address, phone number, and physical address. Don't worry if you don't have all the info, you can always add it later. Type in the necessary details accurately. Remember, this helps prevent any mix-ups when you're sending money. If your contact has a PayPal account, you might even see an option to link it directly, which saves time for future transactions. Once everything looks good, double-check for errors and hit Save. PayPal will confirm that your contact has been added successfully. And just like that, you're done. This whole process should take less than a minute, making it a breeze to keep your contacts organized. If you run into any issues, PayPal's AI-powered help center is there to assist with real-time chat. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay connected and happy paying.